With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Today we will discuss the new question. The question said that in castor plant, here 4 options are available. First is autogamy is possible, second is geotonogamy is possible, third is both are possible, and the fourth is both are not possible. If we talk about the castor plant is also known as the Ricinus communis. This plant is also known as Ricinus communis, which is its scientific name, and it belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. Which family? Euphorbiaceae. And one thing that you should keep in mind, that it is also known as a castor bean or castor oil as well. Now there are 4 options are given. First option is autogamy is possible. Now first we talk about what is autogamy. How we can define autogamy is. Autogamy is just a type of, we can say that it is just a type of a self fertilization. Autogamy is just a type of the self fertilization where what happens, transfer of the pollen grain, in same flower, which is actually mean of self fertilization. So autogamy is defined as a self fertilization, but which is not the case as far as the castor plant is concerned. Why? Because in castor plants self fertilization is not needed. So that's why option A is incorrect. That is, option A is incorrect. There is a certain example of the autogamy. What are the example of autogamy? For example, we can say that tobacco is the example of autogamy. But in the case of the castor plant, autogamy is not happen. Now the second option that is given here is geotonogamy. Now what is mean by term geotonogamy? If we talk about the geotonogamy, it is also a kind of self-pollination, but there is a certain difference. What kind of difference? Its difference is that it is also a kind of self-pollination, but as you already know, in the first, that is autogamy, transfer of pollen grain happen in the same flower. We say that in the same flower. But in the case of the geotonogamy, it does not happen in the same flower. Yes, it happens from one flower to another flower, from one flower to another flower of the same plant, of the same flower, of the same plants. That's why it is self-pollination, but at the same time it does not include that if from one flower to another flower and not within the one flower. So this is the difference between autogamy and geotonogamy, and our right answer is option number 2, that is geotonogamy, because as far as the castor plants are concerned, the geotonogamy is observed here. So our right answer is option number B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.